This is Rosie. She's just waking up from a nap. She's 19 years old. She's a Maltese. Are you pretty? Oh my goodness. Are you a pretty girl, Rosie? Yeah? Are you pretty? And that's Dahlia, who bothers Rosie all the time. Dahlia's a 4-year-old Chorkie. Dahlia! Sit! Dahlia! Dahlia, uh-oh. Dahlia, sit. Good girl. There they are. Good girl, my two girls. Dahlia is on the left, 4-year-old Chorkie. Good girl. Can Dahlia lie down? Uh oh. That's better. Now let's get Rosie. Oh, the cute Rosie. Rosie, would you like some treats? What? Dahlia, what? Would you like some treats? You would. Rosie looks like she's about ready to fall back asleep. Do you like being a video, Dahlia? You do? What? Careful, don't jump on Mama's boo-boo. Oh, Rosie's so tired. Rosie, how you doing, pretty? Oh, my pretty Rose. Oh, so jealous, Dahlia, so jealous. Yes, yes, he's waking up. Oh, Selvester, you want to be in the video too? There they are, my two stinky butts. Actually, you guys are both my service dogs, I should say. Oh, it's Red Sea. Both service dogs, yes, aren't you? I have MS. Selvester, say hello. Selvester likes to be petted in the head. There she goes. Yeah, does that feel good, Selvester? Oh, I'm sorry. You would like some more pets? There you go. Yeah. Get those pepperoni cheeks. Yes. Good girl. Rosie! Dahlia, where'd Rosie go? Would you like some treats? You what? Are you smiling? Let's go get your sister for some treats. Come on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.